The Chevrolet Corvette has always held a special place in the world of American automobiles. Since its debut in 1953, the Corvette was not only the first mass-produced sports car from General Motors, but also evolved into a symbol of innovation, freedom, and performance. Every generation of the Corvette carries its own story, but 1962 holds a particularly unique place. That year marked the end of the C1 era, the pioneering first generation that laid the foundation for the Corvette's future glory. The 1962 Corvette emerged as a bridge between the curvy, flamboyant 1950s designs and the cleaner, more aggressive look that began to dominate the 1960s. For enthusiasts, this model is seen as a crucial transition, and thus it holds a very special appeal. The car we are looking at here is no ordinary Corvette. This is a 1962 Chevrolet Corvette Restomod, a product of a meticulous rotisserie restoration that not only revives the original beauty of the car, but also infuses modern technology to deliver a driving experience far superior to what was possible 6 decades ago. Offered from Richmond, Texas, this Corvette combines captivating classic aesthetics with contemporary reliability, making it equally suitable as a collectible or as a car to enjoy on the open road. Before diving into the details of this car, let's take a brief look at the evolution of the first-generation Corvette. Born in 1953 as a concept car displayed at the Motorama show in New York, the Corvette received such an overwhelmingly positive response that Chevrolet decided to put it into production. However, the Corvette's early years were far from smooth. The very first versions were powered by an inline-six engine mated to a 2-speed automatic transmission, leaving performance enthusiasts underwhelmed. Things began to change dramatically in 1955, when Chevrolet introduced the small-block V8 engine, instantly transforming the Corvette into a true sports car. Through the late 1950s and into the early 1960s, the C1 Corvette was continually refined: slimmer grilles, cleaner rear ends, and ever-improving engines. The 1962 model closed out the C1 era with several key highlights. A simplified design compared to earlier models, with large chrome accents like the side cove trim removed. The adoption of the powerful 327 cubic inch V8 engine, a styling shift that foreshadowed the upcoming second generation C2 Stingray. The 1962 Corvette was something of a stylish farewell, the pinnacle of 1950s inspired design and a prelude to a new decade of high performance. The term Restomod, restoration plus modification, refers to a restoration approach where a classic car's looks and character are preserved but enhanced with modern components for greater reliability, comfort, and performance. Restomods don't just restore, they breathe new life into classics, making them enjoyable by today's standards. In the case of this 1962 Corvette, the Restomod philosophy has been carried out with extreme precision. A rotisserie restoration ensured every panel, bolt, and component was either repaired or replaced to like-new condition. A concept frame finished in black powder coat was chosen for strength and long-term durability. 6.2-liter LS3 V8 engine replaces the original motor, producing nearly 500 horsepower, more than double its original output. A Tremec 5-speed manual transmission offers smooth, durable, and driver-friendly gear changes at both cruising and high speeds. The result is a Corvette that looks as though it just rolled out of 1962, but drives like a modern sports car. Finished in Pearl Maroon, this Corvette exudes both luxury and sportiness. The color was carefully chosen to pay homage to the classic palette of the 1960s while adding a premium feel with a pearlescent sheen that sparkles under the sun. Every curve of the Corvette, from its pronounced front fenders to its clean tail lines, reflects the quality of the frame-off restoration. The panels are straight, door gaps are precise, and the multi-layered paint finish creates a glass-like depth. The car retains the proportions of the original C1 design, including the slim grille, dual headlights, and signature round tail lights. Yet beneath the surface lies a modern chassis that makes this Corvette not just beautiful, but structurally capable. Step inside, and you're greeted by a saddle brown interior that contrasts elegantly with the maroon exterior. The color scheme provides warmth and a sense of classic luxury. The seats are upholstered in high-quality leather with neat stitching, delivering a level of comfort far beyond the factory standard of the 1960s. The dashboard retains the iconic Corvette layout with round gauges, but the instruments have been upgraded for modern accuracy and usability. Every detail, from the retro-style steering wheel to the door trim, has been executed with precision and hand craftsmanship. Modern touches are seamlessly integrated. A discrete audio system, efficient air conditioning, and improved ergonomics, without compromising the vintage charm, allowing drivers and passengers to enjoy 1960s nostalgia with 21st century comfort. The soul of this Restomod is its 6.2-liter LS3 V8 4, producing 495 horsepower, more than enough to propel this classic with ease. Abundant torque for instant acceleration, exceptional reliability and broad parts availability, ensuring practicality for long-term ownership. Paired with the Tremec 5-speed manual, the driving experience is engaging and responsive. Gear changes are precise, and the ratios provide a balance between highway cruising and spirited driving. Provides stopping power to match the LS3's output. With only 160 miles since its completion, this car is essentially brand new, ready to deliver fresh performance to its next owner. Driving this Corvette Restomod is like living in two eras at once. From the outside, onlookers see a 1962 icon with timeless lines that stir nostalgia. But behind the wheel, the growl of the modern LS3 engine quickly makes it clear. This is far more than just a museum piece. Acceleration is sharp, gear shifts are crisp, and the updated suspension ensures stability. Whether you're cruising leisurely down the boulevard or opening it up on the highway, this Corvette is more than ready. For collectors, the 1962 Corvette is special because it was the final C1. A Restomod like this enhances its appeal by combining authentic visuals faithful to the original design, modern practicality, making it more usable without constant mechanical worries, high-level craftsmanship, elevating it beyond modification into automotive artistry. With such low mileage since its build, this Corvette qualifies as a collector-grade car, equally at home in a private collection or dairy sports car. The Corvette has long been embedded in American and global popular culture. Since the 1950s, it has graced movie screens, television shows, and countless magazine covers. It is not just transportation, but a symbol of freedom, individuality, and status that in the 1960s. The Corvette became synonymous with youth culture. Rock and roll songs, street racing films, and Chevrolet advertisements all positioned it as the embodiment of the American dream. Work hard, succeed, and reward yourself with a two-seat sports car full of charisma. The C1 generation, especially the 1962 model, was often called a dream car, appearing on bedroom posters, in Chevrolet catalogs, and as die-cast toys worldwide. The Corvette became more than a machine. It became an inspiration in modern times. The Restomod movement has reinforced the Corvette's relevance across generations. While purists insist on originality, Restomod enthusiasts see modification as a way to honor history while overcoming outdated limitations. Events like the SEMA show in Las Vegas and various custom car competitions frequently showcase Restomod Corvettes, blending advanced suspensions, LS series power plants, and interiors that marry retro design with digital convenience. This 1962 Corvette exemplifies that philosophy. It respects the original timeless form while delivering performance and reliability fit for today's roads. Cars like this are not just expensive hobbies. They are mechanical art investments that continue to appreciate. Owning a Corvette Restomod also means joining a global community of enthusiasts. Corvette clubs worldwide host meetups, tours, and exhibitions. Many owners believe the best part of having such a car is sharing stories, trading experiences, and celebrating their love for an enduring icon together. Thus, this 1962 Corvette Restomod is not merely a vehicle. It's a passport to a lifestyle that blends history, technology, and global camaraderie. This 1962 Chevrolet Corvette Restomod is more than just a car. It's a statement. It demonstrates how automotive history can remain alive through the perfect blend of tradition and technology. From its elegant maroon exterior and luxurious saddle brown interior to its powerful LS3 engine, every detail was crafted to balance nostalgia with innovation. For anyone seeking a Corvette with classic character but a modern soul, this is the answer. It not only reminds us of the Corvette's golden age, but also proves that a true icon can continue evolving with the times.